Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. But before moving any further, in yesterday's video I have asked few questions, so let's discuss their answers first. So the first question was, who has been awarded UNESCO Peace Prize 2022? So the correct answer is Angela Merkel. The second question was, when did DRDO was formed? And the correct answer for it was 1958. So let's continue and see what is in the news. India celebrates National Sports Day every year on August 29 to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. The day was first designated as India's National Sports Day in 2012, and the theme for this year is Sports as an enabler for an inclusive and fit society. 38th meeting of Ministerial Level Joint Rivers Commission of India and Bangladesh held at New Delhi. The discussion during this bilateral meeting were held on a number of ongoing bilateral issues of mutual interest. Those includes river water sharing of common rivers, sharing of flood data, addressing river pollution, conducting joint studies on sedimentation management, river bank protection work, etc. Among these, one of the important area of cooperation where India has been assisting Bangladesh is sharing of real-time flood data. India has recently extended the period of flood data sharing beyond 15th October to help Bangladesh address unforeseen flood events. The Joint River Commission of India and Bangladesh was constituted in the year 1972 as bilateral mechanism to address issue of mutual interest on common border transborder rivers. Germany has launched the world's first ever railway line powered entirely by hydrogen, with passenger trains commencing operating in the European nation's Lower Saxony region. The Cordia Island, which has a range of 1,000 kilometers, can operate on this route for one whole day with just one tank of hydrogen. These trains are emission free, only emits steam and condensed water, and operated with a low level of noise. These have a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. Government notifies Battery Waste Management Rules 2022 to ensure environmentally sound management of waste batteries. New rule will replace Batteries Management and Handling Rule 2001. The rule covered all type of batteries like electric vehicles batteries, portable batteries, automotive batteries, and industrial batteries. The rule function based on the concept of extended producer responsibility, where the producer of batteries are responsible for collection and recycling, refurbishment of waste batteries, and use of recovered material from waste into new batteries. Director General of the National Mission for Clean Ganga spoke about the Earth Ganga model during World Water Week 2022. The theme for World Water Week 2022 is Seeing the Unseen, the Value of Water. The theme will look at three main areas: the value of water among people and for development, the value of water with respect to nature and climate change, and the economic and financial value of water. Let's see what is Earth Ganga project is. Earth Ganga implies a sustainable development model with a focus on economic activities related to Ganga. Pradhan Mantri Shri Modi first introduced the concept during the first National Ganga Council meeting in Kanpur in 2019, where he urged for a shift from Namami Gange, the Union government's flagship project to clean the Ganga, to the model of Earth Ganga. Earth Ganga is basically established on six verticals. Those are zero budget natural farming, which involves chemical free farming on 10 kilometers on either side of river, and the promotion of cow dung as fertilizer through the Gobardhan scheme. The second vertical was the modernization and reuse of sludge and wastewater, that which seeks to reuse treated water for irrigation, industries, and revenue generation for urban local bodies. The third is to involve livelihood generation opportunities by creating hearts where people can sell local products, medicinal plants, and Ayurveda. The fourth one is to focus on increased public participation by increasing synergies between the stakeholder involved with the river. The fifth one is to promote the cultural heritage and tourism of Ganga and its surroundings through boat tourism, adventurous sports, and by conducting yoga activities. Sixth and the last vertical is that to promote institutional building by empowering local administration for improved water governance. Recently, we heard on news from Haryana and Punjab that rice plants are suffering with a disease known as paddy dwarfing. The Indian Agriculture Research Institute has stated that the disease causing dwarfing in rice plant across Haryana and Punjab is due to southern rice black streak dwarf virus. It belongs to the genus Fijivirus. The southern rice black streak dwarf virus with 10 double-stranded RNA segment is transmitted by a white-backed plant hooper. Apart from rice, it can also be found in several weed species. Let's understand something about the paddy dwarfing. The main symptom of the plant suffering from the rice dwarf disease are stunting and appearance of white chlorotic specks on its foliage. The height of the plant is restricted to 1 by 2 or 1 by 3rd as compared to the normal plants. These plants have shallow roots and can be uprooted easily. It is observed across almost all rice varieties like basmatis and non-basmatis. However, the symptoms are more prominent in early swan paddy crops. There is no exclusive corrective measure for viral diseases, but IARI has suggested the farmers monitor their field continuously for the presence of white-backed plant hooper. The plant must be tilted and tapped twice or thrice at the base in a week. A white-backed plant hooper is seen floating in the water. Insecticides like biofreezine, acetamiprid, or dinotefuran can be sprayed. So this is a quiz time. Again, I'm presenting three more questions in front of you. You have to answer these questions in the comment box. So the first question is, when was National Sports Day was first celebrated in India? The second question is, which of the following Ganga tributary originate from the Amarkantak Plateau? And the third and the last one is, what is the aim of Earth Ganga project? So I'll be discussing these answers in the upcoming video. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button and comment your valuable feedback. Also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.